Firmly attach the GoPro camera to the designated space on the drone, ensuring it is tightly clipped in place. Turn on the GoPro camera. Swipe down on the camera's touchscreen to access the menu options. Swipe from left to right to reveal two main options. Tap on connections to proceed to the next step. Tap on camera info to retrieve the last four digits of the camera's unique name. Open the Surveyaan app. Navigate to the Surveyaan workspace on your mobile device. Tap on the second icon from the top right corner of the Surveyaan workspace interface. This will open a dialog box. In the dialog box, enter the camera preference and the last four digits of the camera's name or ID. Tap confirm to initiate the connection process. On the GoPro camera, tap on connect device. This will direct you to the next step. Find the GoPro Quick app and tap it to complete the connection process. Once the connection process is complete, the camera icon will change from red to white. This indicates that your camera is ready. Thank you for watching.